Hello, future scientists. Have you ever wondered how robots learn to do things like talk, walk, or even play games? Well, today we're going to discover how robots learn, just like humans do, through something called artificial intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence is when a robot or computer is given instructions so it can learn and make decisions all by itself. It's like teaching your pet tricks, but instead of a dog, it's a robot. Visual, a robot learning to put pieces of a puzzle together, slowly improving with each attempt. Robots learn from examples. Imagine you show your robot friend how to solve a math problem or sort different colored blocks. The more examples they see, the better they get at solving problems on their own. Visual, the robot solves a similar problem after watching several examples. Just like kids, robots can learn in different ways. There are three main ways they learn: from examples, called supervised learning, by figuring things out themselves, called unsupervised learning, and by practicing over and over again, called reinforcement learning. Visual, each learning type is shown as the robot experiences them. Examples: solving puzzles, supervised, sorting items into categories without help, unsupervised, and playing a game and getting rewards for good moves, reinforcement. Now that the robot has learned, it can help us with all sorts of cool things. Robots use AI to help in hospitals, schools, and even at home, like smart assistants that answer your questions or robots that clean your house. Visual, the robot helping clean a living room or organizing toys. AI helps us solve big problems. From helping doctors find cures to making cars safer, robots can work alongside people to make our world better. That's how robots learn. The next time you see a robot, remember, it might be learning just like you do. Who knows, maybe one day, you'll be the one teaching robots new tricks. Visual, robot waving and walking off into a sunset. The words "the end" appear on the screen.